Hey beauty, I'm going to be removing my extensions because one finally fell out today when I was trying to blow dry my hair. It did leave some glue behind. I'm kind of nervous about this. We'll see how it goes. But if you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra. I post lots of fashion and beauty content, lots of hair DIYs. So if you enjoy that kind of thing, hit the subscribe button down below. Trying to finish my coffee before we get started. I'm looking at my calendar and I put them in on February 17th. Today is March 30th. So I got about 6 weeks wear out of these. They were from Amazon. They felt nice. They brushed nice. I would say the past 2 weeks, they were starting to get like extra tangly and really kind of hard to manage. But I wanted to hold out and see how long that they would actually last in my hair until they fell out on their own. Josh has me like this close to cutting my hair short for the summer. I will be following someone else's video. I will leave her original video linked in the description box below. What she did was take some 91% alcohol, put it in a spray bottle, and then spray the glue part and remove. I came back for a 2-day update just because I did want to tell you guys that my hair does feel extremely thinner than my natural hair. My hair has never felt this thin. Even when I put it in a ponytail, I'm like kind of shocked. In hindsight, I probably should have done like some sort of oil mask in the tape-ins before I went in with alcohol. I don't know why I was so impatient just to pull them out. That was very irresponsible of me. Do not do what I did. Do a hair mask first, maybe like a 24-hour oil hair mask, then go in with the alcohol, because again, I did pull out a lot of my hair. That was a mistake that I made. Definitely user error. I would not blame the tape-in extensions. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is just take the hair with the extension and clip everything back. I just got these clips in from Amazon. I think they were like $7 for a 10-pack. Then I'm gonna take a spray bottle with the alcohol and I'm gonna just spray it. Kind of work it through with my fingers. I did actually test this out and it does work. I'm just kind of nervous about the glue that's left behind. See how easy that came out? I'm just gonna keep spraying until it comes apart. This is gonna be so tedious. I hope it doesn't take like 5 hours. I do want to bleach my hair soon, like soon. So I'm kind of glad that it came out today, honestly. It does feel like it's fully come out, honestly. I don't even feel the glue, really. This is gonna be real tedious. I'm definitely gonna have to put a podcast on or something, because I have a feeling I might be here for at least an hour and a half. Not a professional, by the way. I am just a kitchen beautician. I like that. Someone left a comment saying that the other day. Made me laugh. I'm really kind of worried about how bad this alcohol is going to dry out my hair. But I do have a Hask Intense mask that I've been wanting to try. So here it is, starting to peel off. So I would say that took me about a minute or two to get the alcohol in there enough to get it to come off. Now I'm just gonna spray this one because it's giving me trouble still. And I'm just gonna take my comb. Just try and peel that off. And it really didn't pull out my hair all that much. I just got this bottom section done and I can feel the glue in my hair still. I did Google what to do to get glue out of hair and it said oil. So I'm gonna take my Olaplex bonding oil and I'm just going to find where the glue is and shake a bunch of oil in there and then just rub it into the hair, making sure that it's fully saturated, and just let it soak while I take out the rest of the extensions. And I'm actually also gonna go in with this Hask Nourishing Deep Conditioner. I tried this out last night on the extensions.
What's this called?
Fruit Gushers.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm just gonna use a little bit of that on the ends of my hair. That way it gets deep conditioned too. I am so glad that I ordered these clips. I had been putting it off forever and they literally came in like yesterday or the day before, so it was perfect timing. So again, I'm just going to saturate, and honestly, I'm just kind of getting it in there as much as I can. I've been taking end of the comb and just kind of trying to work it in between the two tapes. And then once I have like a little hole in the tape, I'll come back in. I'm sending Josh to Kroger to get me more alcohol because I am not gonna have enough. What is on your head?
It's disappeared.
Bottom layer is out. I'm actually gonna go in with the oil now and the deep conditioner on each and every strand just to make sure that I'm really getting everything fully saturated so that that glue does come out of my hair when I wash it. Half of my hair is fully done. This is the layer that didn't have any extensions, but I did want to show you guys that when I take the comb through my hair, I am able to brush all the way through without running into any knots or getting tangled up in there. It doesn't feel like super sticky or anything. It does feel oily. It does look like some of that glue is coming off on the comb. So once I wash it, I think it should be fine. I did go ahead and add some of that conditioner on the ends right here. The easiest way to clip your hair is literally just lay it flat. But as you remove each extension, you can just bring down the next layer, and that does help the process go a little bit faster. I am done with the last layer. Everything is fully out of my hair. I'm just adding in some more of that leave-in conditioner. Might mix a little oil in there too. I'll probably let it sit for maybe 15 minutes. I might go eat real quick, wash my hair, style it, and come back to show you guys what it feels like after I wash it, because there was a little glue left in there, but I'm pretty confident it's gonna wash out. There is a lot of glue that came out pretty easily. Fingers crossed that my hair does not remain sticky and full of glue. My hair is extension free. My head feels so light. It does feel nice and lightweight. I would say it still looks pretty healthy. I definitely think that the oil and the mask was the way to go. I did also use the Olaplex shampoo, conditioner, and number 3 to wash out my hair. I will say that like underneath in the back sections, it does look kind of sticky, but as I was feeling around and blow drying my hair, I think it's just from all of the oil that I applied in there. My hair doesn't feel like crazy dry or anything. I was really worried about that. The question you probably want to know is, would I do this again? Do I recommend? And honestly, I recommend if you are just wanting to try out hair extensions, just because it was pretty affordable. It was easy to install. Maintenance was easy. I did have these in for about 6 weeks. Once I started getting to definitely this last week, it was kind of hard to manage. It could also be because of the quality of extensions. I did get cheap ones from Amazon, so you do have to take that into consideration. I think I would recommend for maybe like an event like your wedding and honeymoon, or you're wanting to see if maybe in the future you would want to splurge and go get them professionally done. I think if I did it again, I would either have them professionally done and like beat it in. I don't know a lot about extensions, that's probably wrong, but you know, where they just do like individual strands, or I would try to figure out how to do my own sew in so that I'm not putting a bunch of glue in my hair, because, you know, it was kind of hard to manage. I couldn't pick my hair up in a ponytail. I really didn't have like hairstyle options as far as like doing a high pony or anything like that. It was mostly just me wearing my hair down, but I did enjoy them. They were a lot of fun. So again, I am not a professional stylist. I am just someone who enjoys doing this on my own hair at home and sharing it with you. That was my experience. If you have tried out extensions, let me know your experience and what style is your favorite. Again, I don't know a lot about extensions. This is kind of like my first trial with them, besides, you know, clip-in extensions. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. Thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye out for a bleach video because I'm kind of excited to do that now. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.